Ini saya sudah bersama dengan keluarga yang dulu orang tua dari mereka ini pernah tinggal di bangunan RRI Bogor saat ini. Dan menariknya, mereka ini sudah yang kali kedua datang ke RRI Bogor, dan kali ini tidak hanya berdua. Dulu di tahun 95 mereka datang suami istri, namun kali ini sang ibu ya membawa anak-anaknya dan cucu-cucu mereka langsung dari Belanda untuk melihat satu dari sekian banyak rumah yang ada yang pernah ditinggali oleh mereka di wilayah Bogor, Jawa Barat ini. Ya, dan saya sekarang ini sudah bersama ibu atau istri dari suami yang pernah tinggal di gedung RRI Bogor ini. Dan di sebelah saya adalah anaknya yang tertua, dan kita akan coba menanyakan hal-hal apa saja yang melandasi mereka untuk datang ke sini, mengingat RRI Bogor ini sekarang sudah dinyatakan sebagai salah satu situs sejarah bagi kota Bogor. Time that you've been to this RRI Bogor, your husband's house. This is the second time. Do you see any significant physical change within the building?
Yes, some walls.
I see. But mostly,
Same.
yes, like that.
This very characteristic.
Yeah, feel the genuine.
Yeah, and inside I saw also wall was very, to me it was very genuine.
I see. Okay. And then, this is one stop set of house. Yes? Yes.
Yeah.
So, how many houses that your husband had in Bogor, in Kota Bogor?
I don't know. We went here to school, the ABS.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Sure.
yes, I know.
Okay.
On here, like that. We went to the road, and then we go from the swimming pool. What or with one
I see.
when you want to shower.
Yes. Okay. And I want to show your network. Please.
Die mag bijkomen.
Please. Want to take a picture of you?
This is my daughter,
Daughter?
Ines.
Ines. I see. And then, is it your daughter?
Yes. That's my daughter-in-law.
My husband, my wife, sorry.
No. That's are my three grandchildren. This is okay. It's Dave. Okay. Two are sons of the dad. That is Robin and Stefan.
Stefan. Yeah, I see. Okay. So I'd like to ask you. So, what's your first impression? Look, your father's goosebumps. Goosebumps. What goosebumps? Oh, excited.
Exciting function. Wow, this is where he put his steps. And that was, yeah, my wife inside told her, one of the members, it was emotional.
Very emotional.
Yeah. Also because he can't be here. And that's, yeah.
That's why they want to see it.
Okay.
And then that's why sometimes something I know that I didn't know everything, but something I know that I want them to see it, so that they can remember and that they can...
They can emotionally feel. Yeah, yeah. Of course. Something like it. Now I can imagine his stories. I can paint pictures of his stories.
Oh, I have this story that
I told you, like playing in gardens and
Climbing in the sea.
climbing in trees.
was there any exciting moment for your little father while he lived here? This building?
Well,
Any excursions?
no, his friendship with daughters of the family, Lieberman, they kept on for years.
Was
Yeah,
there
the friends because their friends, they are living also in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
And they go in also in the house.
Yeah, his school friends
When they-
live near his house in Holland. When they go back to Holland, the whole family, they
make
get us around and they,
that's like what the school clothes the yes,
that's stories that
yes. Was there any very emotional certain story that your latest father told you about his being
No.
before with
No. Mainly the whole Indonesian period was kept quiet. Because there was, maybe his memory, but also there was damage in it. For her. Because the captivity from the Japanese, they were kept in the camp. And that was, never told.
That's why
My grandmother
my mother
and her mother.
and sometimes everybody. This story, this came out.
Never told about it.
he kept his
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is your impression looking at your late father here? How to say
So
about
it's
it?
nice to see that the house is still the same, and the rooms are the same, only it's different pictures. So that's nice to see.
What can you imagine about your late father living here? What can you imagine?
No, I think that he went to school with his friends and meet up with each other and have fun.
And now they've got, he's got his junior now.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I see. So, he's planning to stay in Bogor?
No.
You get a job here.
So, that's the question is so what is your impression about this place,
And how it comes.
you told me the story, your husband?
No, my father-in-law. Yeah. So he's also involved me in the story school. So for me it's also emotional to see the great and live, and to see the smell, touch. The story school come alive. And when I see the pictures, I know, I can imagine him walking here in his shorts, going to school, meeting friends, meeting family, all the smell and everything. So yeah, and I want to give that also to children.
There's a lot of secrets being kept. That you're making.
All these other people still there.
Yeah.
They get to speak and they don't talk much about operation
Yes.
After the war, in most of the had to go.
So, this is your
No.
This one here?
Yeah.
You look 2 years old, 19, 17, 30.
Okay. What is the name of this one? Stay. So, this is your late grandfather lived here. Okay. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's funny to see the pictures and try to see that the building came like yeah, I read about this living in Indonesia and Norway not very much and it's nice to see Indonesia and how it gets there and how it was there. And I think it was very young, like 5 years old. About 5 years old when it died. I don't know much, but I hear the story, so it's nice to see how it is and how it was, how it was.
So, you're not having a picture of your late grandfather's story this year, yes? So, this is the fourth time I'm asking you. Is planning to stay? So you can tell your story. Oh, you didn't. I see. You can look here. Okay, so what about you? Your name?
I'm Ruben.
Robin? Robin.
Yeah,
It was three.
Three.
I'm trying to say which one is the more closest with the story here.
yeah, I guess you
No, but your perspective.
yeah, I heard stories from my grandmother and my parents. Okay, and that he has lived in Indonesia, and I find it very exciting. Very far away from Holland, very exotic, and now we're here. I find it very nice and it's different, and yeah, I kind of like
I
it.
think that you're the one who's planning to live here.
So I like the home very much.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. So Bogor is a small part of Indonesia, and which is important in Indonesia is a very, very close. Not only about relationship or about the appreciation, but not only about because our people in Suriname is very traditional. So this is the second time. Your grandfather yes, a very different period of course, yes? That's yes, of course, yes. So what do you think Bogor?
Bogor, yes, I find it quite nice. Around here we went to the Botanical Garden and Botanic Square, and we found it very nice. We went also today to the South Safari. That was also very nice, and the surroundings are very strange to us. We only know the tropical weather from videos, and now we
So, you, the bonus, the youngest.
Je kan het heel zeggen, dan kunnen wij het staan. We will translate for you.
Okay, if necessary. Same question. What he felt in this job.
Wat vind je van een gevoel dat je hier bent?
Ja,
Frustrated.
it's weird. You never knew it. And his grandfather passed away before he was born, so
Okay.
4 weeks. That's 4 weeks before he passed away. He was born 4 weeks after my father passed away.
Your second name?
He's my father. Because of them.
I see. So, your cousin, yes, no, itu is the brother. Your brother and your cousin here have a small emotional relation within your late grandfather lived here. Yes?
You understand?
Okay. So, you don't have a very close emotional story like your brother or your cousin. Yes, so, but this is an important thing in historical standards. Yes, of course. And since you're taking your late grandfather's name,
Dan het kijk connect met
so, my first question.
Yeah, right.
back in some years.
3 or 5 years more. Maybe your brother and your cousin. They don't want to live here, but I do think that you want to live here.
Yes.
Maybe 3 years now. So, okay, so you have to plan your program right now. Teach the assignment study. And then you can have a summer within the IPB for the tutor. IPB, which is the international faculty and the IPB. You're about how many cars? Also, kind of. No, he was studying awareness. Hopefully you can stay here 5 to 10 years and we will study at UPB like your little grandfather used to be, okay? So, sometimes I'm stay. Yes. So, if you stay here, study at the UPB, there will be a very confusing story about your big family. Family obligation. Yeah, okay? Not planning from now on, okay? Okay, so, but what you will find, your clothing statement, your lady, while bayaran baru, I see, kebayaran baru, kebayaran lama, I think. Yes. So, also what is the certain history in here in Bogor? You can tell us. But so much. No. So, what do you want to hope about this place? Because this place now here is local wisdom heritage for the local government and owned by the private sector. But we are here now at SE, at our official building is wood. There are three people here who want to take this place. You're the secretary. Yes. Between my father's family move and starting of the radio station here. And that gap is to be filled by government story or okay. So this is a very amazing moment in service time to have you all here now here, and this report here we are going to send and report to our higher recognition in Jakarta. Why? Because this mistake, yes, and prove that in our external historical approach within RRI, not all the buildings, our buildings had this kind of story. Yes. And our head office there told us it building all for the station would have a very small background of your office. Please contact us. Please tell us why. Maybe the Dutch what is it called? Public service station, radio station. That's where it's German, yes? That's where it's service station.
Before some.
Kalau Belanda apa?
Before some.
That's very many NOS. This is the public workers services. Yeah, that's the name of it. Well, thank you very much for your concern, attention, and this is a very moment because me personally, yes, with all of you here, hopefully 9 years, 3 or 5 years. Out on your door. Okay? Notice, okay? Yes, ma'am. I must leave and God makes me your grandfather. Okay? Well, thank you very much. Siapa mana tadi?
Tadi ada di dalam.
Mana panggil ibu? This is our head office. Okay. Her name is Madi. Kembali, and live in Bali, but officially being a manager in Bogor here. What was it?
Ya, nanti saya sampaikan.
Ni Mother Sri Widari.
Nanti saya sampaikan.
Yes, from Bali, and she want to send her gratitude. So the story came to this place.
Terima kasih. Saya pakai bahasa Indonesia. Ini nama saya dari saya dari sini ambil terima kasih. Saya senang bahwa di sini dan akan saya minta dokumen atau tahun berapa di sini dan saya mohon hasilnya. Mudah-mudahan nanti rumah ini yang sekarang ini dipakai cagar budaya dan mudah-mudahan ke depannya ini adalah kejutan. Jadi selanjutnya hari ini bahwa saya senang bertemu dan senang didandani oleh
Okay, I'll try to introduce Sensei. Feel pleased to have you here, all of you here, and so gratitude. Ibu Nima Desti Budari came from Denpasar, Bali, and if you go in Bali,
She has a big house.
which one of you in Bali? And she was like also researching few more deeply about your family data, especially about your late mother, your husband since when that he lived here, just for the record of yours. And then she told us, and I already told you before that this building here stated as the local wisdom heritage, and this is a very special occasion and time because having you all here, and she also sends you a very good, it's amazing time.